All right, so we know how to count by 5. We know the names of the coins and how much they're worth. We know how many spot points are on each coin. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is just review really quickly the coins and how much they're worth. So this is a penny. How much is it worth? 1 cent. And do we have any spot points on a penny? No. Okay, this is a nickel. It has how many spot points? 1 spot point. So when we touch that spot point, what do we say? 5. Very good. Everybody point and say 5. Good job. All right, and then this is a dime. It has 2 spot points. So everybody point up here with your fingers, please. Let's count. Ready? 5, 10. So it's worth 10 cents. All right, and then this is a quarter. Let's count by 5 to see how much it's worth. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Very good. So today we're going to be practicing counting sets of coins. All right. So I'm going to write on the whiteboard up here a certain number of quarters, a certain number of dimes, a certain number of nickels and pennies, and then I'm going to draw my coins and write the spot points and count them. Okay. So let's say I have 1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. All right, I'm going to draw this up on the board. You guys are just going to be watching right now, not writing yet. Okay, all done? So first I'm going to draw my quarter. This is my quarter. How many spot points does a quarter have? 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have my dime. A dime is smaller than a quarter, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And how many spot points does a dime have? 2. 5, 10, right? And then I need a nickel. How many spot points does a nickel have? 1. 5 cents. And then a penny. All right? Then I'm going to count by 5 until I get to the penny, and then I'm going to count by 1. All right? So this time I'm just going to do it. You guys listen. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. All right, your turn. Now you show me with your fingers that you're pointing to the spot point and count with me.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41.
Very good. Okay, this time I'm going to give you a different one, and you're going to draw it. Okay? You're going to draw it, and then you're going to count up how many cents you have all together, and write that number of cents. So I should have written on the last one, I should have written 41 cents. Okay? So if I write 2 quarters up here, you're going to draw 2 quarters. If I say 3 dimes, you can look up here to remind you about the spot point. And you draw 3 dimes with the 2 spot points on each one. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. When you're done, please make sure that you hide your answers so that we can let everybody else use their own brains. All right, and then I'll ask you to show me in just a minute. Quarter, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. Okay, show me your answers. Okay, so I see a couple different answers. So put your whiteboard in front of you. All right, and you're going to help me draw it on the board, and then we'll see which answer was right. Okay, so how many quarters do I have?
1.
1 quarter. Thank you guys for keeping your caps on your pens right now. So 1 quarter. Ooh, I'm using the one that you gave me, Bella. Yes, good pen, huh? 1 quarter to 5 spot points. 2 dimes, which each have 2 spot points. 1 nickel, which has 1 spot point. And then 2 pennies. Okay? So everybody point with your fingers. Look up here. Hang on 1 second. Okay, Gianni, point up here. We're going to count. Go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52.
So this set of coins is worth what?
52 cents.
What is it?
52 cents.
Very good. Okay, we're going to try one more, and then we're going to get some practice with this on our Envision worksheet. So go ahead and erase.